For making this kind of a batch, we would require total 4 circles. One is orange, one is white, one is green, and one is blue. As you can see, the orange circle is the long one, the white one is little shorter than the orange one, then we have the green one which is shorter than white, and the last blue one is the smallest circle over here. So we have to cut 4 circles altogether. You can keep a distance of the difference of 1 centimeter. For example, if you are taking orange circle of 5 centimeter radius, you can take white as 4 centimeter radius, green as 3, green color as 3 centimeter, and finally the blue one with 2 centimeter radius. Or it can be different way also, like this is 1 centimeter radius, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So whichever size you would like to make the batch, whether you want it very big, so you can take 5 centimeter radius circle, the bigger one. If you want it in a medium size, then take 4 or 3.5 at the most for the outer circle. So let's start with this. Let me cut these circles accordingly. So I got my circles ready. Okay, this one with 5 centimeter radius, this one with the 4 centimeter radius, this is green with 3, and this is 2. So you can actually just stick a little bit of glue over here and stick it like this. Again in the middle put little bit of glue and stick it like this. Over here also put the glue and stick it like this. And at the back just first paste these 2 strips like this in an angle, okay, and then paste it back like this. So your simple batch like this is ready. But in case you want to give it a little pattern, a variation with like this, it is possible if you have any kind of zigzag scissor with you, so that you can give it a shape. You have to just apply the scissor over here, so automatically it will get cut and you are going to get this shape. So I have used this scissor which I have with me to create this pattern. In case you don't have scissor, no problem, just cut the circles, plain circles like this, and then stick it like this. Make the wheel, the chakra in between over here with a, since it is light blue, not exactly light but medium blue, so I'll use dark blue sketch pen and put the chakra over here. So my job will be done. So let's start with it. Okay, I will, since I have the scissor, so I'll just give it a shape. Have a look how to give it a shape. You have to handle the scissor very nicely and very carefully. Plain cutting is very easy, but while using this kind of a scissors, one has to be very careful, because you have to give the shape also and you have to maintain the roundity of the circle also. So I got my first circle ready like this. Okay, so, and I'll cut all the circles similarly with this scissor. Okay, I'm done with my cuttings over here. As you can see, all the circles are ready with the shape also like this pattern created by the zigzag scissor. I have stick this into a V kind of a formation. You can give it a nice shape by cutting it in this way at the down, and I'll put glue over here. I'll put glue over here in the center. No need to put glue all over the surface, not at all. Just in the center, little bit of glue will do, and I'll stick the white Similarly, again I'll put little bit of glue in the center and I'll stick the green. Align them properly, finally get the blue one. Then here also I put the glue and I'll put it exactly at the back like this. And my batch is ready. To give, you can just make a chakra over here in the middle so that your tricolor, the flag kind of a pattern is maintained. And see, our batch is ready. If you want, you can put some more lines between all the angles. Tan-ta-da! And you can give lots of variations over here. You can keep this as white as I have shown, or you can just make a pattern like this with sketch pen. Can you see? Just a line and making some beautiful patterns. Or you can keep it like this also with multiple colors, first orange, then blue and green, different lines. If you have quilling strips with you, and if you have orange, green and blue, you can do it in this way. Just paste the quilling strips and your job is done. This is another pattern. So whatever comes to your mind, you can decorate your batch in that way. I hope this video will help you in creating your batch.